Ever noticed how your brain can turn one small problem into a full-on Netflix drama? Like, your teacher says, "We need to talk tomorrow," and suddenly your brain is like, "Bas, life katam, pack your bags, you're going to a secret punishment island." Why do we think like this? Why does the brain love negativity so much, even more than we love free Wi-Fi? Today, let's talk about the psychology of negative thinking. Basically, why your mind acts like that one friend who always expects the worst. So first thing, our brain is wired to protect us. Long ago, humans had real problems, not low battery or scene-zoned issues. I mean real problems like wild animals. So the brain developed a habit. Assume danger first, ask questions later. Fast forward to today, and the same brain still behaves like, oh, message delivered but not seen, definitely danger. Then comes the spotlight effect, where your brain thinks everyone is noticing your mistakes, like when you trip a little while walking and your brain goes, whole world saw it. News headline tomorrow, local child forgets how to walk. But here's the funny thing, most people are too busy worrying about their own silly mistakes to care about yours. Another reason for negative thinking is overthinking mode, also known as what-if factory. Your brain will produce the wildest what-if scenarios. What if I fail? What if people laugh? What if I become a meme? Relax, being a meme isn't even that bad. Some memes actually get famous. And then there's the comfort of negativity. Yes, weirdly, negativity feels safe. If you expect the worst, then you can't be disappointed, right? It's like mentally carrying an umbrella even when there's no cloud, just to say, ha, I knew it, if it rains. But here's the truth. Negative thoughts are just thoughts, not prophecies. You don't have to believe every scary story your mind tells. Next time your brain says, you messed up, say, thanks for the warning, but I'm good. Next time it says, what if everything goes wrong? Try asking, but what if it actually goes right? The mind listens more than you think. So remember this, your brain is powerful, but you get to decide which thoughts to feed. Feed fear, it grows. Feed confidence, it grows too. And honestly, life becomes much lighter when you stop arguing with the imaginary disaster movie playing in your head. If you found yourself smiling, relating, or thinking, Yaar, ye to mere saath hota hai, then congratulations, you're human. Now go give your brain a little break. It deserves it, and so do you.